Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying vacation. Dear students, in vacation we must have to give some time to our studies instead of wasting it. As you know, in this critical situation it is not possible to come to school. That's why Darul School decided to teach you through online video classes. I hope you will follow the instructions that I will give you in this video. So today I am going to teach you science, a very interesting subject. As we all know, Allah has created us. Dear students, our body is made up of different parts. All these parts are important for healthy living. So now I am going to tell you about different parts of body. Okay, let's start. Please open page number 2. Look at this picture. First, first of all, dear students, you all know about some basic parts of body, but now we will discuss about some other parts and their functions as well. Look at this picture. This is eye. This is eye, and this one is ear. This is nose, and this one is mouth. This is cheek. This is called chin, and this portion is called as chest, and below chest there is a stomach. This is called thumb. This is knee, and this one is called toe. This portion is called as arm, and these are fingers. In one hand we have 5 fingers. Okay, now look at next picture. This is the back of this boy. This is hair. This is neck. This one is called shoulder. This is elbow. This is called back. This is hand. This is leg, and this one is called foot. So what you have to do, you have to look in a mirror and touch your body parts one by one. After that you will clear about all these parts. Okay, now let's come to page number 3. Each part has a job to do. Okay, now look at this picture. This is a picture of girl. What is she doing? She is eating ice cream. Do you know about which body part help us to eat? We use our mouth to eat and speak. So let's underline mouth, eat, speak. Our mouth help us to eat and speak. Now look at next picture. This is a picture of boy. What is he doing? He is doing painting. And what is he hold in his hand? He is hold a paint brush. And which body part help us to hold things? We use hands to hold things. Now look at next picture. Here is a picture of boy. What is he doing? Yes, he is running. We use our feet to run, walk, or move. Understand? Our feet help us to run, walk, and move. So underline walk, move, and feet. Okay, let's come to another topic. The topic is we all are human beings. As you know, boys, girls, men, women, and babies all are human beings. all have same eyes, nose, face, hands, but they look different. Why? So students, it is your duty. You have to ask with your parents about this picture. Here is a picture. You have to ask about this picture. Why they are different from each other? Why they are different from each other? As they have same eyes, same nose, same face, all have legs, all have feet, but why they are different from each other? Okay, I will come with next video, inshallah. Thank you.